Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi International Academy. Hi, Mr. Yogesh, Faculty of Mathematics. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about chapter 3rd, HCF and LC. So first of all try to be understand what is meant by HCF. The name itself indicates it's a definition. The full form of HCF is highest common factor. So let us split that the word. Firstly we have let it be factors. Next to it we have a common. Next to it we have a highest. So suppose we have given the two numbers and we are finding the HCF of 8 and 12 here. So first of all, which are the factors of 8 here? So we are well known that are 1, 2, 4 and 8 itself. Next to it, which are the factors of 12 here? That are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. So among them, so now we have about the factors for the given number. So among them, which are the common factors? So for a common factors, I will make a circle here. 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4, 4. So we have now the common factors for 8 and 12. That is equals to, which are they? 1, 2 and 4. So among them, now we overhead with the factors as well as the common factors. So among them, which is the highest factor? We have 4. So HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. So sometimes we may call that HCF as greatest common divisor also. So once any number is a factor of the given number, that means it is a divisor of the given number. So keep in mind, so HCF is sometimes we may call it as a greatest common divisor. Okay. Divisor. So in short, we write it as a GCD of 8 and 12 here, that is equal to 4. So we might have the second method also for finding the factors, or we may say the greatest common divisor of the given numbers. So let us, I will explain it the second method. So first of all, try to express that 8 as the product of its primes and simultaneously 12 as the product of its primes. So to express 8 as the product of its primes, first of all we required the prime divisors of 8. So that should be find out by using the vertical division like way. We have a 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and at last we have a 2 1s are 2. So which are the prime divisors of 8 here? That are 2, 2 and 2. So product of its primes, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 we have. Similarly, for expressing that 12 as the product of its primes, first of all try to find out the prime divisors of 12 by using vertical division. So now we have a 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, at last we have a 3 1s are 3. So we can express now 12 as the product of its primes. Which primes we have? 2 into 2 into 3 here. So among them, which are the common primes we have now? 2, 2, 2 and 2 again. So the HCF of 8 and 12 is given by simply product of its common primes. So we have a 2 2s are 4. 2 2 and 2 2 are the common primes. So product of their common primes, we have 2 2s are 4 here. Or we may write it as a GCD of, that means greatest common divisor of 8 and 12 is 4 here. So what happened if we have given the next two numbers and we have to evaluate it's a HCF or we may say GCD. So next two numbers we have given, let it be 24 and 36. Now for finding the HCF of 24 and 36, first of all try to express that 24 as the product of its primes. So for that use the vertical division and find the prime divisors of 24. So we have a 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. At last we have a 3 1s are 3. So now we can write that the 24 as a product of its primes. Which primes we have? As per the vertical division, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, try to evaluate for 36 now. So we have a 2 18s are 36. Next, 2 9s are 18 we have. 3 3s are 9 we have. At last, 3 1s are 3 was there. So 36 can be expressed as the product of its primes. Which primes we have? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So among them, which are the common primes? We have a 2, 2, again 2, 2 and one of the 3 there. So HCF of 24 and 36 is given by 2 into 2 into 3. So we have a 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So HCF of 24 and 36, that is equals to 12. Similarly, we can write it as a GCD, that means greatest common divisor of 24 and 36 is 12. So what happened if now we have given the three numbers together and we are finding the HCF? So the three numbers are of the form, let it be, we have now 12, 16 and 28. So try to express that firstly 12 in terms of product of its primes. So we have the prime divisors of 12 by using vertical division like way. 2 6 are 12 we have, 2 3s are 6 we have, and at last 3 1s are 3. So 12 can be written as the product of its primes like way 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly for 16 we have, which are the prime divisors of 16? By using vertical division we can easily get it. So 2 8s are 16 we have, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. At last we have a 2 1s are 2. So 16 can be written as the product of its primes. Which primes we have? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Ultimately, let us try to multiply them. We get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 again. Okay. Next to it for 28. Now we have the prime divisors of 28 by using the vertical division. 14 2s are 28, 2 7s are 14, at last 7 1s are 7. So 28 can be expressed as the product of its primes. We have a 2 into 2 into 7. So among them, just circle out which are the common primes we have as a 2, 2 and 2. Next to it, again we have a one more 2, 2 and 2. So the HCF of three numbers we have 12, 16 and 8, 28 is given by product of their common primes. We have a 2 2s are 4. So HCF of given three numbers 12, 16 and 28 is 4. You may write it as a GCD of, that means greatest common divisor of 12, 16, 28 is 4. Okay. So instead of using that the three different vertical divisions, we can easily combine them like way. So suppose we have given the same numbers 12, 16 and 28. So we can use that the single table for evaluating their common divisors, or we may say common prime divisors actually. So 12, 16 and 28 we will write it is in the one table. So which are the, firstly by observing the numbers, which are the common prime divisors of 12, 16 and 28? It is 2 because 2 divides all three numbers together at once. So 2 6 we have a 12, 2 8 we have a 16 and 14 2 we have a 28. Again, all three numbers should be divisible by 2. 2 3 we have a 6, 2 4 we have a 8 and 2 7 we have a 14. So next to it now we have the numbers 3, 4 and 7 and there is a no one common divisor of all three numbers together once. So the vertical division finished here. So HCF of 12, 16 and 28 is given by product of their common primes directly. 2 2s we have a 4. Okay. So we may write it as a GCD of 12, 16 and 28 is 4. Keep in mind. So we have to use that the vertical division at once for a 3 numbers. Similarly, suppose we have given another 3 numbers are of the form, let it be, we have now 5, 25 and 30. We have to evaluate now the HCF of those 3 numbers. Again, we will take that all 3 numbers together and we can easily find that the common prime divisors of 3 numbers by using vertical division at once. So by observing, we have let it be 15 instead of 5. Okay, let it be 15. So 15, 25 and 30, all three numbers are divisible by 5. We have a 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 and 6 5s are 30. So next to it we have now the numbers are of the form 3, 5 and 6 and there is a no one common divisor of 3, 5 and 6 together. Hence our vertical division is finished. So we have a HCF of 15, 25 and 30 is the multiplication of common primes of them. So we have just a one number here, that is 5. So HCF of 15, 25 and 30 is 5. Okay. So let us try that. Practice set 12 yourself. Practice set 12